And that is already leading to flash flooding, okay? So we're early in the game and we're already getting flash flood warnings. I don't like the trend of that. And much more rain is to come, especially given...
So this is mountain biking in South Florida. It's the beginning of summer, so what that means is it's going to be hot, there are going to be bugs, and there are going to be hurricanes. And about 2 weeks ago, we had our first tropical storm of the season. The storm wasn't too bad, but there was a lot of rain, and it ended up flooding my local trail system, and actually flooding every trail system in South Florida. The trail builders did a great job at restoring the trails, from what I heard. So today I'm back with my brother, and we're going to be riding these Markham Park trails for the first time in about 3 weeks. So today, my brother and I have a game plan. We wanted to ride some trails that we've never rode before. So we're going to go looking for some new black diamonds that we've never hit and see how this goes. First time at Markham or any bike park in 3 weeks because there was a hurricane and this place flooded. Yeah, apparently everything's good now, so why not? It's a little bit rocky in the beginning though. Take your derailleur off over here. Get you down. This whole area right here was flooded, like knee deep. This is Area 51. It's one of the most popular trails in Markham Park. It has a lot of dirt jumps, and we're going to give it a try, even if we have to skip a few. Ooh, way up here. Big dirt jump, little dirt jump. There's a big wall ride right here. Ooh, somebody fell pretty hard. These trails over here have a few pretty steep drops. There's a few of them. Oh, you climbed it? So this wood feature right here is actually the highest point of the park. Now, I'm not sure how high it is, but when I stand on top, you can see how far down it goes. Let's hit it. Ooh. Oh, that's like the steepest one yet. Woo! That way. So that big one, if we would have kept that momentum. The thing is, it's hard with all the sand. I washed out like 2 or 3 times. My back tire like. Yeah, no, I felt. Those are long though. That one is long. That big gold drop's pretty big. That one's like steep. Mm-hmm.